Hi, my name is Alfonso Lopez, and I'm the CEO of 305 Broadcast. Yes, I know I have an accent, but I've been selling equipment and designing studio and transmitter sites for the last 25 years. I hope you enjoy today's video. Okay, so for all of you who has the MIKA microphone arm with this light that turns on and sometimes turns white, turns red, it's always difficult to connect this with the GPIO of your blades or your analog console, and it's been a headache for engineers. And Henry Engineer has the solution with one product called the Mic Alert. Can you please, Hanks, tell me about the Mic Alert?
Here we go. This is the Mic Alert, and it is a problem-solving interface that lets you easily connect the red and white MIKA tally circuits to just about any console or blade or any studio logic system. On the back, we have inputs for 2 mics, and as you can see, they're 5-pin XLRs. We use 3 pins for the mic audio and 2 pins for the light. The Mic Alert takes the audio from the mic and brings it out onto a standard 3-pin male XLR, and then all the control wiring that goes to your console or your blade is over here on this D connector. So this unit will handle 2 mic arms. So for every 2 MIKA mic arms, you only need 1 Mic Alert. And this makes it really easy to control the red and the white tally lights on MIKA mic arms.
Excellent. That's the great solution from Henry Engineers, a problem solver company designed by engineers, and it's been in the broadcast industry for more than 38 years. Thank you, Hanks. Remember, my name is Alfonso Lopez from 305 Broadcast, and please call me, message me, WhatsApp me. I'm here to help.